I'm a teacher and a parent of 2 young children.
Okay.
And I'm also a campaigner for Delay Smartphones, and I get involved with smartphone-free childhood as well.
So you think we should be removing the phones entirely from the young people's grasp, as it were?
Yes, 100%. We need to stop giving smartphones to children, and we need to start doing that urgently. This is a public health
Until what
disaster.
age?
Well, I'm a big fan of Jonathan Haidt. You're probably not surprised to hear that. So smartphones, no smartphone until at least 14, and no social media until at least 16.
I mean, I can say to you, "Oh, don't be ridiculous. It's too big an oil tanker to turn around," and you can say to me, "You've spent the whole morning talking about the plausibility of turning around the oil tanker." So you can't have it both ways. Jonathan has unsurprisingly been on the programme talking about the anxiety, the anxious generation. What about some? I mean, secondary school. You can't. My daughters wouldn't be able to navigate their secondary school without a smartphone.
So, are you making an argument to say that a child must have a smartphone?
No, I not must, but I'm just saying at the moment some need them. So you'd have to unpick and undo all of that.
I think I actually don't really agree that that's a strong argument. I think what you do is you phase it in. So you'd say, for example, from 2026, from September, you can't have a smartphone until you're at least 14, and then but those children who are, say, 13 and have one already, they can continue, and you just phase it in, a bit like the smoking ban that was brought in. Sorry, the age restriction increased on smoking from 16 to 18. You just do it in that way. You just bring it in gradually.
It's chicken and egg, isn't it? It's chicken and egg. So they're legislating access to things, but of course, if you don't have the technology, the access isn't anything like as big a problem. I mean, they'd still have computers at home. I mean, keeping them off the internet.
No, the smartphone is the device. It's portable.
Yeah, you're right.
You can conceal it. A child sitting at home on a laptop on a kitchen table is just a completely different ballgame to the story you just mentioned earlier, the 3 boys on the bus. Children walking around with cameras.
Yeah.
Front forward facing, bringing them into schools, bringing them into environments, videoing each other, sending horrendous images, sexting. There is the list, James. I mean, the list. There's like 20 horrendous things. This is a public health emergency. It's an emergency.
I think you're right.